Hey there, creatives. I'm Maggie Adams, graphic design professor and founder of My Design Coach. If you're working in Adobe Illustrator and you've ever tried to move or duplicate an artboard only to find that your art was left behind, you're not alone. In this quick lesson, I'm going to show you how to move artwork with your artboard so your layout stays intact, just the way you intended. Let's jump into Illustrator and take a look. Have you ever tried to move your artboard only to find that the artwork has been left behind? In this demo, I'm going to show you how to resolve that. Let's Command Z to undo Move Artboard. Next, we're going to change the setting so that our artwork will move with our artboard. Simply click on your Artboard tool in your Tools menu, select Rearrange, and Move Artwork with Artboard, and click OK. Now when you move your artboard, the artwork will go with it. Another thing to keep in mind is if your artboards are close together and your text box, not even the text itself, but let's just say the text box hangs over just a bit, when you move the artboard down below, that artwork or text box is going to come with you. So you have to be sure that within your Rearrange panel, you give your artboards enough spacing so that that text box does not overhang any other artboard. And that, my friends, is all there is to it. With one simple setting, you can keep your artwork and your artboards together when you duplicate or rearrange them in Illustrator. If you're working through the Artboard Basics series, make sure to check out the other lessons linked in the description below. And as always, keep designing responsibly and don't forget to use those shortcuts. Thanks so much for watching. If this video was helpful, give it a like so I know to keep making more like it. And don't forget to subscribe and click the bell so you never miss a new tip. If you have a video request or topic you're stuck on, drop it in the comment. I'd love to hear from you. I'm also working on something really exciting, a complete college curriculum, industry-focused online design education program built just for creatives like you. Whether you're brand new, growing your skills, or working towards a career in design, this will be your go-to resource. You'll be learning from a college professor, that's me. And the program will cover beginner through advanced skills, real-world projects, portfolio building, and options for feedback and support, like having a design mentor right in your pocket. It'll be subscription-based with flexible tiers depending on the level of support that you're looking for. Check out My Design Coach, link in the description, for updates and early access. In the meantime, there's plenty more to explore here on the channel, so stick around, keep creating, and I'll see you in the next video.